we are creating a new consciousness. As John Lennon explained in his music and in his thoughts and deeds, what we are seeing and what we are doing is a rise of love and oneness. And this concept that Lennon personified and brought forth, and that indirectly led to his death, his assassination in 1980, is something that is happening around us again. We are in the midst of a great age in which love and caring and oneness with each other is rising again, this new consciousness. So what is this new consciousness? Let's look at it in a slightly different way. First of all, there is on this planet a massive ascension process. By ascension, we simply mean two things. One, we are moving toward full consciousness, and two, we are learning that in this full consciousness, we are one with Spirit, and that Spirit is the essence of all things. Spirit makes everything. We might call this the age of zero-point energy ascension. That's what I would basically call it. We are in the midst of a vast change on this planet, and this change means that we are becoming once again the beings that we are meant to be. Another thing that is happening is that a new paradigm is being born. We no longer see ourselves as beings caught in a limited world with limited possibilities. We are learning that we are moving toward becoming fully conscious, empowered beings with unlimited realities, and that we are indeed entities or beings of this galaxy. Now, as this consciousness paradigm shifts, the vehicle of consciousness is shifting from one based upon the concept of a physical awareness to one based upon a spiritual awareness. As we move toward that spiritual awareness, as the vehicle of consciousness moves toward that, we begin to see one major point. We are one with the entire galaxy. And in being one with the entire galaxy, we now see that as we call forth help and aid for what we are doing, we are getting it. And so what is happening once again, we are raising up our spiritual awareness. We are combining it with our physical awareness, moving toward being fully conscious beings, and the galaxy is responding. We are not alone. And this is what is, as this consciousness paradigm shifts, and we move toward a greater way of amalgamating and being one with our spiritual awareness, we are also at the same time moving forward to understand that we are not alone, that we have a family out there, and that family is here to assist us. Now let's look, as we're evolving to full consciousness, I found this wonderful diagram, so let's look at it and see just what this transformation is about. We are moving from a concept of death and inaction and survival and reaction in all its basic points into a transformation that's turning us into sovereign beings that are like winged mares. We are personally and as a wholeness, we are beings of unlimited abilities, and we are moving toward that. We are moving from a death survival reaction to a life and immortality, a creation mode, where we are co-creators of the divine plan with the force of creation that makes all things.